a second floor Allston Brighton 1-bedroom apartment, second floor. Okay, so this is the entrance. Right behind it, off to the side, is the bathroom. Pretty standard, but it's very clean. Not the most updated, but again, nice, fresh, clean finishes, well maintained. There's a little window right there for you. So standing shower tub combo, sink, vanity, toilet. Got a little window right here. All right, spills into this nice hardwood floor. Living room. We have more windows right here. Not a great view, but not too shabby either. We have the bedroom. All right, let me get the light. Good size windows. Okay. So well above the first floor. Closet. Good size closet. All right. And the kitchen. Plenty of cabinets up top. Fridge. Cabinets below. Electric stove. Some counter space. Sink. Another closet over here. So again, second floor. We're pretty much right on Commonwealth Avenue. Easy access to the Green Line. There's laundry in the basement. There's an elevator, but you might not need it since this unit is on the second floor. If you have any other questions or need more info, feel free to reach out at Angel over at Leopold McMasters. And I hope you enjoyed the video walkthrough. Have a good one.